Today we're taking a look at the Tesla stock, ticker symbol TSLA, in anticipation of the upcoming Monday, September 8th, 2025 trading day. Welcome back to Capital Consultant. Let's dive right into it. Oh, and don't forget to subscribe and to click the bell icon to get notified as soon as these videos are released so that you have more time to plan out your trades, as we provide these stock analysis videos on a daily basis after market close. I can guarantee that you'll have all the important information that you'll need on this stock heading into the upcoming trading day after fully watching this video. One more thing before we start. If you would like access to our daily watch lists, stock picks, option picks, and more, then check out our Patreon in the link down below. Now let's get started. The Tesla stock opened at 348 and closed at 350.84 on Friday, September 5th, 2025. The stock price rose by 3.64%, from 338.53 to 350.84. A total of 108,771,700 shares were traded for around $38.09 billion. The lowest price it reached on the last trading day was 344.68, while the highest price it reached the last trading day was 355.87. The 52-week high on this stock is 488.54, while the 52-week low is 210.51. There were 48,060,700 more shares that were exchanged compared to the previous trading day as the stock price rose, which is a good sign. This stock is considered very high uncertainty with a very low chance of distress. Friday's rally was fueled by optimism after Tesla's board announced a performance-based pay package for Elon Musk, worth up to $1 trillion. The package ties rewards to huge milestones such as 20 million annual vehicle deliveries, millions of FSD subscribers, Optimus robot deployment, and a robo-taxi rollout. This catalyst pushed the stock higher and boosted investor sentiment. The Tesla stock maintains a buy signal from both its short-term moving average and its long-term moving average, giving it a positive outlook. There are no major emerging candlestick patterns on the chart as of the making of this video. Given the current overall short-term trend, a rise in the stock price is to be expected. The last daily candle as of the last trading day is green, which means that the buyers, or in other words, the bulls, dominated this session. It was an overall bullish session, with a volume of 108.77 million, which is above average compared to the average volume that Tesla normally has, which is around 81 million. The stock is trading in the middle range of yearly prices. Tesla is trading above its 5, 10, 20, 50, 100, and 200-day exponential moving averages and simple moving averages. This is a good sign for the stock's trend. Now moving on to the daily technical side of things. This is what we can conclude. An RSI of 63.5 indicates a buy. The stochastic being at 69.6 indicates a buy. A MACD of 2.91 signals a buy. An ADX of 34.5 indicates a buy. The Williams %R being at negative 20.3 signals a buy. A CCI of 81.1 indicates a buy. An ATR of 4.71 signals high volatility. The ultimate oscillator being at 59.5 indicates a buy. The ROC being at 5 signals a buy. In total, we have more technical indicators pointing at a strong buy signal at this current time, which indicate a bullish outlook on the stock. Nearly every major technical signal is bullish, and with volatility elevated, traders should expect swings of around $5 intraday. Tesla's 3.64% gain on Friday strongly outperformed the Nasdaq's 0.9% rise, and the S&P 500's 0.7% gain. This shows clear relative strength against the broader market. Tesla also outpaced EV peers like Rivian and Lucid, which posted smaller moves that same day. Looking ahead, keep an eye on Tesla's Q3 earnings in late October, where delivery numbers and AI updates will be critical. Investors are also watching for regulatory progress on robotaxis and Optimus robot deployment. On the macro side, Federal Reserve interest rate decisions remain a key driver for growth stocks like Tesla. Historically, when Tesla closes above its 50-day moving average with RSI in the low to mid-60s, It has posted additional weekly gains in about 7 out of 10 similar cases over the last 5 years. While past performance doesn't guarantee future results, this adds confidence to the current bullish setup. So let's get into analyzing and predicting the Tesla price movement for the upcoming trading day, Monday, September 8th, 2025. Do note that if the price of this stock is trading below 349.54, then the possibility of downside is higher. And likewise, if the price of this stock is trading above 349.54, then the possibility of upside is higher. Currently, as of the last trading day's close, this stock's pivot point is at the 349.54 level. It has support at the 347.06 and has resistance at the 351.2. So I will now lay out a few Tesla trades for the upcoming trading day, bullish trades and bearish trades. Feel free to also make other similar trades based on the information I've shared with you in this video so far, if you're feeling a little extra bullish or bearish on this stock. And always remember that when a support is broken, then it becomes resistance. Likewise, when a resistance is broken, then it becomes support. The bullish trade is as follows. If we open and at least 30 minutes after the bell, the stock is still respecting the 347.06 level as support, then in that scenario you might be looking at adding or opening a long trade position as close as possible to that support level of 347.06, while keeping in mind that this would be a short-term trade. Now bulls, if you're looking to trade Tesla, then you're obviously looking to take profit during the day. And so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bullish trade would be starting to do so somewhere near the resistance level of 351.2. So our second bullish trade is the following. If the 351.2 resistance level is broken at least 30 minutes after the bell and held for a respectable amount of time, having it turn into a support level, which results in a short-term bullish outlook on the stock, then in that scenario you might be looking at taking a long trade position as close to that new 351.2 support level as possible. My recommendation for taking profit on this second bullish trade would be starting to do so at somewhere around the next resistance level of 353.68. I suggest closing your position in small percentage increments as the stock moves on these trades, as opposed to closing it entirely at one go. I personally go for 25% increments. Our bearish trade is as follows. If we open and at least 30 minutes after the bell, the stock is still respecting the 351.2 level as resistance, then in that scenario you might be looking at adding or opening a short trade position as close to that resistance level of 351.2 as possible, while keeping in mind that this would be a short-term trade. Now bears, if you're looking to trade Tesla, then you're obviously going to be looking to take profit during the day. And so my recommendation for taking profit on this first bearish trade would be starting to do so somewhere around the 347.06 support level. So our second bearish trade is the following. If the 347.06 support level is broken at least 30 minutes after the bell and held for a respectable amount of time, having it turn into a resistance level, which results in a short-term bearish outlook on the stock, then in that scenario you might be looking at taking a short trade position as close to that new 347.06 resistance level as possible. My recommendation for taking profit on this second bearish trade would be starting to do so at somewhere around the next support level of 345.4. I'd also suggest closing your position in small percentage increments on these trades as the stock moves, as opposed to closing it all entirely at one go. And I can't stress this enough, but make sure you start taking some profit near the targets that I've given you on all these trades to ensure profitability. These are short-term trades with high probability of profit, and so they add up if you do things right. Whether you decide to be bullish or bearish on this stock or both, either way, I wish you the best of luck with your trades. We'd love to hear your opinion on this specific analysis, whether you agree or disagree with it. So leave a comment down below and do let us know. And if you have any specific stocks you'd like analyzed, then leave a comment down below with the stock you'd like analyzed, leave a like on this video, and we'll get to it as soon as we possibly can. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel to stay up to date with these stock analysis videos. That's all for now. So if you have any other stocks you'd like analyzed, then leave a comment down below with the stocks you'd like analyzed, subscribe to our channel, leave a like on this video, and we'll get to it as soon as we possibly can. We'd also love to hear your opinion on this specific analysis, whether you agree or disagree with it. So leave a comment down below and do let us know.